I'm pretty excited because this morning we have some special guests visiting us, and I think you're going to all like what you're going to hear today. I would like to apologize to third grade in particular for kind of messing up the library presentation schedule, but I know, it's going to probably be worth it in the end. So I would like to introduce you to Anna Stubblefield, Deputy Superintendent of Lawrence Public Schools, Lawrence Schools Foundation Board President Tim Mott, and Foundation Executive Director Dina Johnston. Please give them a warm
You only have 1 week of school left. So I hope you're not counting down the days, but you're making the days count in this last week and enjoying the time with your teachers. I'm here today representing the Lawrence Schools Foundation. It's an organization of community volunteers who raise money to support your teachers, our schools, and our school community. One of the reasons the foundation raises money is to show appreciation to teachers in Lawrence Public Schools. It is always a hard choice when we have to make these individual awards because all of the teachers are amazing. So let's give all of our teachers a big round of applause. I want to now introduce you to Tim Mott, who will do he is the Business Development Officer at Truity Credit Union and the President of the Lawrence Schools Foundation, and he has a special presentation to make to one of your teachers.
Okay, so each year the foundation asks for nominations from students and staff and parents and other community members so we can recognize some of the most outstanding teachers in Lawrence. Sound like a pretty good deal? Yeah! So we received a lot of wonderful letters from all of you about one of your teachers, and so I'd like to read just a few comments from the nomination. One of your teachers wrote to us that this teacher does a remarkable job ensuring that each student feels comfortable and appreciated. By developing close relationships, this teacher always has lots of former students and their parents coming back to visit. Another one of your teachers wrote that this teacher's classroom is exciting, is always changing to keep up with students, and is a respectful place for all who come through the door. The classroom environment is welcoming and safe, giving students and parents a sense of security. Another one of your teachers wrote that this teacher mentors other teachers, pushing them to be the best that they can for their students. There's lots of comments. Wonderful teacher. We received a letter from one of you. This student wrote that every morning when she walks into school, the teacher is waiting for her with a big smile. When she passes this teacher in the hallway, she can always count on a friendly hello or how is your day going. This student says that this teacher cares about their day and their state assessments and respects everyone. Another student who attended Schwegler quite a long time ago wrote to us in this letter saying that this teacher still provides her with as much love and support as when she was in the class. She says this teacher makes every student feel valued and important. So some of the words used to describe this teacher: motivating, dedicated, upbeat, smart, devoted, caring, and a friend. So I'm excited today to have the opportunity to represent a group of community leaders that came up with a really, really cool idea more than 20 years ago. And this really recognizes teachers in a huge, huge way. And all of the members of this group share the same first name. It's Bob. So this is what we call the Bob's Award. So these Bobs, they choose to remain anonymous, which means no one really knows who they are. All we know is that their first name is Bob. But really the reason behind this is because we want to make sure that the light shines on the teacher that we are giving this award to today. So every spring, the foundation is fortunate to present the Bob's Award to a fantastic teacher. This year, the Bob's Award honors someone who followed both parents into the teaching profession, someone who started that career here at Schwegler as a student teacher, parent educator, a substitute teacher, and then a teacher. someone who has taught in the same grade, in the same classroom for 29 years, third grade teacher, Mrs. Susan Lomshek. Foundation Executive Director Dina Johnson and I would like to present you with a check on behalf of the Bobs for you to use it any way you want for $10,000.
I don't really get words other than there's a lot of people that supported me through these 30 years, and a lot of them are here. A lot of you guys are here, parents, staff. I wouldn't call it any other place home. It's a great day to be a Cub.